welcome to our room in Syros. Come on in. First, this will show you an art piece. This side. We'll stay with Mona Lisa for these few days. Do you know why it's shattered? If you know, comment down below. And kitchen. In the kitchen, you see plates and more plates and bowls, whatever. Oh, it looks very artsy as well. You see, very pretty. No BS. Okay. Kitchen towel. Have you seen such a big kitchen towel like this? Huge. It can last for so many days. What else? This normal thing. Coffee capsules, fridge. There's nothing to see. It's okay. And then wardrobe. Wardrobe is huge, but I need to complain. Why so high, huh? I need to like tiptoe a bit to reach. It's not good. It's not petite people friendly. They need to redesign a bit. What else? Okay, nothing special. Some like the safe is here. Iron, some drawers. And what's special about this room is ta-da! This huge bathroom with a huge, very pretty tub. And for this tub, if you take a bath here, you can look at yourself. You will see yourself here. Right. If you gain weight, you will see. And then two sinks. Oh, sculpture. Flowers, big. And what else? Two mirrors, two sinks. Very good, huh? Ah, this is, I haven't seen this before, by the way. I don't know how to use it, but I just found out. You like this? This toilet. Okay, it's pink inside, very romantic color, huh? And nothing special. This shower room. So if you don't want a bath and take a shower, ring shower head and then handheld head, whatever you like. And then next up. This is our living room. Couch, very comfy. So if you don't want to take a bath, you don't want to sleep, you can sit here, enjoy. Oh, by the way, very big TV. Huge. And then this is my shop. So I'll put my makeup, whatever, and then do my makeup here. Very good lighting here as well. You see another art piece. So artsy. You have Marshall. So if you want some music, connect it here. Will be very good. Next. Bed. Huge bed. And I have my friend here. Very good. Doggy. Oh, another two art piece. Oh, no, three. Half of a head. And then this art piece will broken out. Where's the arm? It's here. It's not broken by us. It's broken already. So just so you know. So we'll put it back here. Okay. Eyes and then this. This what? This will tell you. This is a bedroom. Don't speak too loud. Okay. Put back. And we have a balcony. Balcony what? coffee table, so you can have coffee here. See the street. And look at people, do the people watching. And good. On your right is pictures. Out there, out there. Yes, yes, yes. This is our room. Do you like it? Comment down below. Comment, like, and share.